AI is everywhere. You're deploying AI, your competitors are deploying AI. It really seems like everyone is doing AI these days. But AI is complicated, not just in generating effective models, but also in deploying them. Even if you already have an existing model, deploying it onto new hardware on the edge can be a daunting task. This task often requires massive effort to translate the model into something that can run, let alone run well. Until now. Hi, I'm Vin D'Agostino. Renesas has developed the RUHMI Framework, an AI deployment framework that allows you to take an existing AI model and easily deploy it on Renesas hardware. Currently, this solution supports TensorFlow Lite, Onyx, and PyTorch frameworks. The framework backend is powered by an Edge Cortex compiler named Mira 2.0. Starting from an existing model, the compiler accepts the model, then translates it to an intermediate representation. It can then quantize the model, translating 32-bit floating point into 8-bit integer. This is native quantization, which reduces any issues that may arise during the conversion process. The data can then be partitioned for optimized deployment on both CPUs and NPUs, like the Ethos U55. Finally, the framework will output C code, source and header files, as well as binary runtimes, allowing users to easily compile and deploy their models. Additionally, the RUHMI framework supports a Windows GUI that is integrated into E2 Studio. This GUI allows you to easily work with the output code from the framework, modifying it or adding in other embedded designs from E2 Studio. For more advanced users, the framework also comes with a command line interface, or CLI, that works on both Windows and Ubuntu. This can be used for a variety of purposes, like using Python scripting to run automatic design testing. Now, that was a lot of information. So how about we take a look at these features together? To get started, we'll open the AI Navigator window in E2 Studio. At the top, select Renesas AI and then AI Navi. In this window, you'll see two options. Select Sample AI Application and use your project and AI model. For this demo, we'll choose Select Sample AI Application. But when working with your model, you will select Use Your Project and AI Model. Next, select the Smart City category. You'll see two options, face detection and image classification examples. We'll select Image Classification. Once selected, you'll then need to click Import at the top center of the window. E2 Studio will then import the example project. Once E2 Studio has finished, you will see that a new project is available in the Project Explorer window. We'll now edit and build the example project. Select Edit and Build on the right-hand side. After selecting this, you will see two new menus on the left, Convert AI Model and Edit Application. We'll select Convert AI Model. In this window, select the Convert button on the right side. This will open the conversion tool. At the top, you'll open the drop-down and select your project. Below that, you'll select the device. In this case, the device is a Renesas RA8P1 board. Finally, in the Tools drop-down, select the RUHMI compiler. Now we'll select our framework. This example uses a TensorFlow Lite framework. Below, we'll select the model in an Explorer window. The name of the model is MobileNet_V1. Finally, we'll select an output location. All of the files generated by the conversion tool will be placed in this location. Select Next. Once this process is completed, you can use the Optimization tab to improve your model. The model we are using in this demonstration is already quantized, so we will skip this tab. Select Next. Here we have the Conversion tab. On this tab, you can select the Optimize mode, Memory mode, and Weight location for your model. The default settings work for this demonstration, so we'll just select Start Conversion. After a short time, E2 Studio will complete the conversion. If you browse to the output location selected earlier, you can see the files generated in this process. Now that the conversion is complete, editing the model in E2 Studio is simple. From the output location, select all of the files generated by the converter tool and drag them to your project location in the Project Explorer in E2 Studio. E2 Studio will ask you if you wish to copy or move the files, and if you wish to overwrite any files in the location. We will select Copy and then Overwrite All. Once this is finished, we can build the project. Right-click the top-level folder in the Project Explorer window and select Build Project. Once the build is finished, you'll be ready to make any changes you want. It really is that simple. The RUHMI Framework is designed to work with the Renesas RA8P1 board, both on CM85 and Ethos U55. This board has some powerful features, including MIPI DSI, MIPI CSI for HMI use cases, along with a wealth of memory, connectivity, and an Ethos U55 AI accelerator. These features offer a wellspring of power, allowing you to get increased performance out of your existing models. For more information or a demo, contact your local Renesas FAE or sales representative, or visit us on the web at www.renesas.com.